Highboy is officially finished up. So, got the oil leak taken care of. We all make mistakes while putting engines together, and forget sometimes some major details. So, my dad made a small mistake, but this engine, 390, came out of a two-wheel drive something or other. But it was set up for a front sump, had the dipstick tube up in the front, so he it was on his list to plug that hole and forgot to. So I've done it, you've all done it, it happens, but got the hole plugged up, so got the oil leak taken care of. And then as well, I've just been trying to get this project sort of finished up. Filmed a whole bunch at the beginning and kind of been lacking on doing all the finish work, but it's been kind of boring too. A lot of prep work on all the individual little pieces, brackets, sandblasting them, priming them, painting them. Not too exciting to film, and I just wanted to get it done. So film wise, I'm sure this kind of got thrown back together pretty quickly, but in reality it's been forever, and I've just been trying to bang it out. Filming does take up some time, so but take a look at her, because she is looking good. Look at that. Yeah. Good looking engine. Good looking engine bay. This black I'm really happy with. Nice single stage, real high gloss black. So yeah, we are looking sharp. So I think we're gonna go give it a final wash, and I think we're delivering this, taking it to my sister's house. We're gonna go back to my sister's house and officially give it back to her. So let's get it done. She's got a Jeep like Grandma's? Yeah. That would have been adorable.
There's that horse over there.
Hopefully little one's not sleeping.
Where's the Suburban? Over here.
Me too.
I see people moving.
And voila.
It's done! And it's clean!
It is clean.
Wow! Thanks, guys! Oh, you're the best!
Yeah. Grant, how are you?
Wow!
Wow. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Doesn't run too bad. No,
Yeah, pretty neat, huh?
I love it.
Took long enough.
Thanks, buddy. I know, right?
Oh,
Thanks,
yeah.
buddy.
Of course. Yeah. Job well done. Well, good looking truck. I guess we need to start walking.
Yeah, where'd our ride? There goes our ride.
Cool. Well, let's start walking. Doesn't it?
Where are we going?
I don't know. Around the block, down the road, over yonder, wherever you'd like to go. impressed with how well it sounds.
I love it.
It's awesome.
Okay, you can just go.
Oh yeah. Torquey. Yes, I am. That's okay.
Why you gotta film me? It goes a little better.
It sure does.
Wow.
That old 360 was pretty tired.
It was old and tired. I love it so much. Oh, you guys are awesome.
You're excited to go to car shows now and open the hood.
I know, it's gonna be great.
I
Wow.
know that was always kind of a letdown or a bummer or whatever.
That's just
You had a car show. Wow, beautiful truck. What engine you got? Wow, 360. What's it look like? Yeah, don't worry about
No, we're not gonna do that.
it.
We're just not gonna look.
We're just not gonna
I
look.
promise. It's okay.
It's okay. That's what I thought that was. Need a ride, sir?
I do.
That was amazing. Oh my god.
Yeah, just let the clutch out. You don't have to give any gas in reverse.
Yeah.
Well, we got a ride home.
I guess that finishes. Yeah, I guess I finished up the Ford. We'll see y'all later. Take it easy.